Welcome to our channel where we show you how to fix Oconee State Bank transfer issues in the simplest way possible. Welcome to our channel where we show you how to fix Oconee State Bank transfer issues in the simplest way possible. Many people using Oconee State Bank encounter transfer problems, which can be frustrating. But the good news is that these issues can usually be resolved quickly and easily by following a few simple steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection since transfer failures often occur due to connectivity issues. Next, double-check all the transfer details you have entered. Confirm the recipient account number, routing number, and transfer amount are all accurate. A small typo can cause the transfer to fail. If you are using the bank's mobile app or online portal, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes cause errors. Logging out and logging back in can also refresh your session and clear minor glitches after verifying details. Try initiating the transfer again. If the problem persists, clear your browser cache or app data, as stored corrupted information might be causing the issue. Sometimes switching to another device or using a different browser helps if the problem is device-specific. If none of these steps work, contact Oconee State Bank customer service directly. Their experts can identify account or system-specific problems that you cannot resolve on your own. Make sure to have your account information ready for faster assistance. Remember to remain patient throughout the process, as technical difficulties can be temporary. Following these steps will usually allow you to complete your transfers without further problems. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.